love of my life. You hurt me. You've broken my heart. And now you leave me. Love of my life, can't you see?
Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Oh, nakikita nyo na naka-apron na naman ako. Ayan. Nasa kusina na naman po tayo at ako ay magluluto ng sinigang na baka. Si Kurt po ay may sakit. Baby Kurt. So, tinanong ko siya, ano ang gusto niya? Sinigang na baka o chicken noodle soup. Sinigang na baka daw. Anyway, for all my friends, in English-speaking friends and family, I'm gonna try to put the caption or the translation at the bottom of the screen so you guys will understand. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and after this we're gonna cook. It's a sweet and sour beef. It's delicious. That's what we always eat in the Philippines. Pero ang mga sangkap o mga ingredients ay hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas. Iba, siyempre dinoktor-doktor ko na lang. Eh, wala nga eh. Anyway, enjoy the video. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Ay, mali. Mali po. Hindi po sweet and sour soup. Sour soup with beef. Yan po, masarap. Yung ibang mga friends na Amerikano, natikman nila, masarap, gusto nila. Anyway, let's continue. Ang mga ingredients ng beef sinigang ay baka, ang binili ko na lang ay chuck roast, choice Angus. Ito po ang hindi magandang kangkong. Hindi naman tunay na kangkong sa Pilipinas. Parang kangkong-kangkongan lang. Kangkong sa Asian store ko nabili. Sa halip na sitaw, ano na lang, green beans. Ayan. Cabbage, repolyo. Broccoli, lalagyan ko ng broccoli. Sibuyas, kamatis, walang bawang, and tamarind soup. This is the secret ingredients. Pampasarap. Tamarind soup. Yan, sarap yan. At konting asin. At ano ba to? Paminta. Ayan, itong kangkong, parang hindi kangkong. Kangkong ba yan? Basta binili ko sa Asian store. Kangkong siguro. Kangkong nga. Kangkong na nga yan. Basta kangkong yan. Sige, lutuin na natin. Sarap. Hinati-hati ko na po ang baka. Yung ganyan, Ganyan kaano. Tapos, papakuluan po natin. Pakuluan na po natin ang ating baka. Isama na po natin. Ihalo na po natin. Lahat na. Hanggang sa kumulo. Maghugas ng kamay kapag katapos maghawak ng mamoy. Okay, and then lalagyan po natin ng 2 tablespoon ng asin. Ito rin nakakaya. See, daming tubig eh. Yan po, hintayin natin ang hintayin hanggang sa kumulo. Baka umapaw. Bulaga. Hintayin natin. Ayan na po, kumukulo na siya. At tanggalin po natin itong mga sapal-sapal. Ano ba ito? Sapal sa English. Extraction. Tanggalin po natin yan. Parang taba. Taba yata ito eh. Ano ba to? Sapal. Ewan ko sa English ng sapal. Hindi ko alam. Kung sino nakakalam, sabihin nyo sa akin. Please. Tagal pa nito malambot. Sarap. Gusto ng asawa ko rin ito. Kakain siya mamaya. Tapos may kanin. Nagayat ko na po ang mga sibuyas. Ginamit ko ay grape tomatoes because wala po akong tomato na totoo. Sa Pilipinas, tinatanggal natin yan. Kinakamay-kamay natin. Dito, kinukutsilyo. Tama na yan kasi hindi naman yun nakanakain yan mabuti. Ako lang kumakain. Bumili ako ng sitaw, nabulok naman, nalimutan ko. Kulo, 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 kulo. Kapi-kapi muna. Habang nag-iintay ng... Ay! Naiwan ko. Kapi-kapi muna habang nag-iintay ng lambot. Lagi ako si kape. Ay, nga pala. Nagtatagalog ako kasi may mga nabasa akong nag-message sa akin. Ako naman daw ay magtagalog. Ako hindi maarte ha. Hindi ako nahirapan ako magtagalog talaga. Kasi wala akong kausap dito na Tagalog. Ang anak ko, hindi naman nagtatagalog. Ako lang, hindi ako lumalabas ng bahay. Ako ay isang ina, ulirang ina. Na napadpad sa Michigan. Talaga, ang hirap ang Tagalog pero okay pa naman, di ba? Anyway, yeah. Pilitin ko mag-Tagalog, pero pa English din, syempre. Ba? Kung marunong mag-Japanese, magja-Japanese ako, hindi. Ay, meron akong alam na isa, salitang bakla. Mga kapatid ko, 2 bakla. Si Obel at si Willie. 3 yata. Dinis ko no, mga tudkay kong lanak. Yan salitang bakla yun. Tudkay kong lanak ay 2. Pero parang 3. Lagot ako. Medyo malambot-lambot na po. Ihulog na po natin ang sibuyas. Teka nga lang. Sibuyas at kamatis. Sa Pilipinas, nilalamutak ang sibuyas at kamatis sa asin bago ilagay sa tubig. Taasan ko ang apoy. Halo-haloin at pakuluan pa. Patingin nga, malambot ka na. Malambot na eh. Malambot na siya eh. Yun po. Ang bango. Ang lambot niya na talaga. Oh, wow. Grabe. Now, ihulog na natin ang lalagay ko na ang tamarindo, sampalok na pampaasim. Kulong-kulo na po ang sinigang. Tama yung gunting ko. Gunting. Where are you? Ang dami kong gunting, hindi ko na makita kung nasaan. Oh, ayan. Ito na nga, no? Chili. Tapos po, ihulog na po natin ang mahiwagang paasim. May sinigang na. Tikman. Yum. Umalat. Okay din. Bigyan pa natin ng maasim. Halos kalahati ng bag nilagay ko. Kasi masarap pag may masakit. Lagay na po natin ang kangkong. Ang kangkong ang huli kasi madaling lumambot. Sana may sili. Wala akong sili. Ayan na po. Teka, tingnan. Lambot ba? My husband is home. I told him I'm gonna make rice with this. But he said...
But I'm an Irishman, so I'm putting bread.
Ew. Put it here, honey. Okay, that?
Yep, put some bread down in the bottom. Then you put the soup on top of it. Put some vegetables in there because, you know, a good boy has to have his vegetables. Okay.
See?
Yeah.
Well, there's no soup.
What do you mean there's no soup? I'll have to put some more broth on there. Uh-oh. I hear footsteps. Comes the problem, child. Yep. Okay. We're golden.
What up, Pops?
Hi, Kurt. I'm just here eating, getting videotaped.
Eating my food?
Oh,
Mom said she was making this for me.
Yeah, he said. Do you want some? I was gonna make rice.
Who's 820-8590?
Josh.
8590.
Oh.
Is it Josh?
No, Josh, that's 5295.
So that's how he eats the sinigang with bread.
Where's the... You don't have any spoons out. Where's the spoons at? That's a dirty spoon. You're gonna have to move all that.
Why?
Because nobody They said that all the email passwords outdated at the end of August. Why they did that, who knows? But this is.
So he's gonna eat in front of the computer.
I gotta take care of business.
Okay, enjoy, honey. I'm gonna clean the kitchen.
All right. Sounds like a plan.
Did you know that we can make rice in the microwave? If you don't have any rice cooker or something like that, there's no problem. You can use the microwave for 25 minutes and instantly you have rice. I'll show you. What you need is a microwavable safe glass or bowl. This is 3 cups of rice. I already washed them, so it's ready for the water. And water, I don't even measure my water. This is how I measure my water. Depends on my rice. Put your little water there, and then make it the top of the rice flat, and measure and stick your finger down to the bottom of your bowl. Then measure the height of the rice from the top of the bowl, or from the bottom of the bowl to the top of your rice. And here is the measurement. So make it flat again and measure and put your finger on top of the rice and make sure that your water is there, the same as the height of your rice from the bottom of the bowl. So I think we need more. Let's do it again. Flatten it. Put your finger on the bottom of down to the bottom of the bowl and measure your rice, the top of your rice. Here is the rice. And then put your finger again on top of the rice to the top of your water. I think they have the same height. Height of the rice and height of the water from the top of the rice. Do I make sense? Well, sometimes that's how. Usually that's how I make my rice. And put it in the microwave for 25 minutes. And there you have it. You're gonna get rice, freshly made rice. See you later when it's done. The rice is done. Look. And I can eat my sour soup with the rice. I just use regular rice. I bought it at Walmart. I don't buy the jasmine rice. They are sticky for me. I don't like sticky rice. I like this, and this texture is also good for fried rice. If you put these in the fridge and then in the next morning it's cold, and then you can make fried rice. It's not gonna be like sticky fried rice. It's so yum, 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 yum.